Don't you think you're a little old to be using cheesy pickup lines?
Objection. Leading the witness. Wow, Hannah, you're really wearing that dress like you're doing it a favor.
Oh, God.
That's a line.
You want her but do not need her. It is a big difference. Desperate guys need a girl to complete themselves to make themselves feel happy. I say these guys got it backward. They ought to complete themselves and make themselves happy, then go for the chicks. Some people complain that it is work. Well, what is the point of having a girlfriend or a fleet of women if you have no direction in life and chronically melancholy? Defeats the purpose. Women are to enhance your life. Fools think the women will define their life. I think 90% of all the problems on this board is because they mix up the order. Success is a state of mind, not a list of methods and tricks. This must be stated because it brings us to the subject of desperation. In the end, we are all desperate with desire. We wouldn't be looking for tips and answers if we did not desire a girlfriend. We all want a woman, but our desire and feelings brings out the desperation traits within us. Imagine if a woman was obsessed with you, always calling you, always available, and always spending her free time for you. Any interest you had for this woman would soon evaporate. Why? Because in your own mind you are thinking to things, no one else must want her. And if I can get her obsessed about me, I know I can get better girls to be interested in me. Her desperation is turning you off. The same is true for women. Women are not attracted to desperate men. If anyone has told you that you're desperate, consider that it's true. There is a key to removing desperation forever. There is no simple trick that will kill the desperation. It will not be in how you dress, how you talk, or where you go for dates. No, the key is in how you think. The key to killing desperation and attracting women is to think and believe that you are the great catch. Desperate guys do not do this. They see the woman as the prize rather than themselves. They see that the woman must be wooed rather than them. They will, thus, supplicate and become a nice guy, and nice guys finish last. If you start treating a woman like precious gold, she will believe she is gold. And once she believes it, she will dump you because you have given her the sense that she is better than you. Once she thinks that, she will want to replace you with someone better, because you have given her reasons to believe that you are unworthy of her greatness. After all, if we think we can find someone better, we will. This holds true for both men and women. The last thing we want is to settle for a mate when we could have gotten better. The lesson: don't give her a reason to think she is better. You are the gold. She should be thrilled just to have a chance with you. The first step in becoming the Prince Charming every woman dreams of is to think of yourself as a prince. When you believe you are that prince, that you are the great catch, all the desperation signs you were emitting vanish, and an aura of attraction will surround you. Combine this manner of thinking with all the skills you know, and you will become irresistible. Let us look at the desperation signs. Always giving the women attention, calling all the time, taking every opportunity to talk to them, always available, never willing to walk away. Prince Charming wouldn't accept any disrespect from any woman. If a woman gave him such disrespect, he walks away. The prince knows all these women want to be with him, so he can eject at any time. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't act like a Prince Charming. I don't have tons of women after me. This is reversing cause and effect. Assume you are the great catch, think that you are, and as you think you shall become. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Treat your hobbies as if they have more value than the women do. When you think you are the great catch, you will act like it and the women will know that you are. Women love certain traits in guys. By thinking you are the great catch allows you to emit confidence naturally, and without any effort. So in the end, too often men think they need a girlfriend to have their life complete. The consequence is that these men will emit signs of desperation. Success is achieved first through the mind, then through the world, never the other way around.